So today I decided to color my hair this color with the Dark and Lovely fade resistant brown cinnamon color. Yeah, like I had tried to use the Lush hair dye a couple of weeks ago, and I mean it came out somewhat something, but it's not nearly anything. Like it's not, yeah, I need some color to show that I colored my hair. I know this is such a risk to use box dye, but you know what, we're just gonna go in and see what happens. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I'm on mat leave, so if there's a time to experiment with color, it's now. Worst case scenario, I can just always dye my hair black, but you know, I don't know, we'll see what happens. It seems pretty straightforward, so I'm not gonna necessarily go through discussing it and everything like that. I'll just do the process, record what I can, and then I will share. So the other reason why I want to dye my hair is because I have so much lint. I did not even notice it until I did my last retie, but like, what is that? Like, what is that? That is lint. But let's do a quick, I don't know, hair check before I get rid of this color. Okay. You can kind of see some color on the ends of this. Okay, this is it. There's this. This. And this. I heard that some parts of your hair develop faster, so I am just gonna probably, it's probably a good idea to section my hair, right? Let me do that. Okay, so I am done with the first phase, and so now I am gonna go in and kind of sort of like apply what's missing. If there's any spots that are missing. No. So I've done another round of the hair dye. I still have a tiny bit left, so I think I'm gonna try and put it on my edges now. I just didn't want my edges to kind of disappear. I don't even know if I should. I might just do the parameter. I don't know. I'm just gonna do the parameter and then I'll call it a day. But this is what it looks like so far. I'm so nervous. This could be a disaster. Okay, so I'm gonna take this down. It's getting kind of brown now, but it's still, nothing's really showing that much, I think. Okay, so I think I'm ready to wash it out now. Yeah, I don't think it's evenly dyed, but I'm just gonna take it out because I'm noticing some red over here and I do not want my hair to be orangey. Okay, let's see how it came out. Nothing happened. My hair doesn't take any color. Like, what is this? Nothing happened. What an underwhelming situation. I mean, it's slightly lighter, but it's, oh my god. Nothing happened, really. Boo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like in light. You can kind of see it.